Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show. And for you today, we have a barbecue pasta salad. This is a real quick, easy side dish, perfect for any barbecue throughout the summer. And it starts off with 12 ounces of the tri-colored rotini pasta placed in a bowl. And then you want to add a half a cup of barbecue sauce. This is that Marsala barbecue sauce that I made in the sandwich video. I'll link in the description to that video. What I added there was a teaspoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and a teaspoon of hot sauce, followed by a celery stalk that I chopped up, 4 green onions that I sliced up, and a red bell pepper that I also chopped up. And then you want to roughly add about a cup or 1 1/3 cup of mayo. I just went by texture, sight, and taste. But I'm pretty sure this is 1 1/3 cup of mayo. Keep in mind, you can also up it to, if you don't want to use the tri-colored, you can always up this to a regular 1-pound box of pasta. Just add a little bit more mayo. Everything else should be fine. And then basically you just want to give this a good stir around until everything is all mixed together and well coated, and then pop in the fridge for 2 hours, and that's really it. If you want this to be a little creamier, a little more mayo. If you want this to be a little bit spicier, add a couple pinches of cayenne pepper. But that's really it. Barbecue pasta salad. Done.